I love doing really simple Halloween design that you can also do. So we are doing a French look, and this is our new gradient Halloween. Great plate to use on its own, but I'm actually gonna turn it into a manicured look. Look how cool. We're gonna be using our classic French plate. This plate is so helpful. And it's so classic too because you can do any type of French you want for any time of the season. And I promise it is that easy. You don't need to do something super fancy. I'm even gonna do something that's even more simple, if that's even possible. So I'll be using this plate here, and I'm only using one polish. And we're gonna do the serpent and the stars. And I'm just gonna lay those cards right down. So if you just had purple nails or whatever color nails, then you can just easily put this design on. Moving on to the last look. So this is one of 2 true crime or murder mystery plates that we just released this year. Wow, true crime obsessed. Now we're moving on to the ring finger, which I'm gonna pick up the design right under that, the true crime, which is this really cool thumbnail skull. Really cool design. Now for this is kind of like a little fun technique that I like to use for like blood. Super stoked. And it's so nice to do art you only using like 1 or 2 plates and very limited polish colors. You could still come up with a really cool design. But look how simple that was. 1 plate, a few colors, and that's it. Maybe making up some stuff as I go, but it is really that simple. But yeah, let me know in the comments, do you guys have a fave?